In this lesson, we will know how to create a new module. First, Magento module naming convention. The naming convention module in Magento are straightforward. A module name consists of two parts, vendor name and module name. In this course, we will use ITC4U as a vendor name. I will go to app code and create a new directory. I will call it ITC4U, and the module name we will name it as Kickstart. It is better to capitalize the first letter of the vendor name and the module name. Now we will create the module .xml file. Here I will create first etc folder, because module.xml file we need to create it in etc folder, and we will create new file module.xml. I will use predefined template for module.xml. Here you can copy it also from another module in Magento vendor Magento folder. If we go to here Magento any module and go to etc, and we will see here module.xml, and you notice this is the module vendor name and the module name in the module.xml. Second, we will register the module. We will create here in the Kickstart folder file name registration.php. Also, I will use predefined template registration. We will see here also the component register is a module, and the module component name ITC4U underscore Kickstart. We will now enable the module from command line. We will use pen/magento module enable ITC4U underscore Kickstart. Now the module has been enabled. We will clear the cache of Magento cache flush. Now we will check if the module is enabled or not. I will use this command Magento module status. We will see here our Magento module we have just created, ITC4U underscore Kickstart. If you don't see the module here, please double check the spelling and the casing of the module name in your directory and code files. Now we have finished creating the new module. Thank you for watching, and see you next lesson.